If you are a content creator, you know the importance of an AI video generator. Now, most of the creators use AI-generated content for their videos, but the problem is, you have to pay a lot to create a video using AI. However, today I'm going to share the method for creating unlimited free videos without paying a single penny. Let's dive in. Today, I will talk about 3 AI video generator tools. However, before going over there, if you are an influencer or running a virtual influencer and want to convert your influencer into cash from day one, then I'm going to introduce an amazing platform called Fanvue AI. Fanvue is an AI-powered, subscription-based social platform that allows AI creators to build a profile, grow an audience, and monetize their content directly. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics all in one place. To start your money-making journey with Fanvue, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with Fanvue. And that's it. You are now a Fanvue creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Alright, now let's talk about our first AI video generator tool, LTX Video. LTX is the world's fastest video generator model. The latest model of LTX is LTX 2.5, and it can create 10-second multi-shot videos with audio. It's open source. You can install it on your local PC and generate unlimited videos for free. However, if you don't have a GPU and still want to create free videos, then you can use Google Colab. I already have a free Google Colab notebook. You will find the link in the description. Just click on that, and you will be on this page. Make sure you are logged into a Google account. Now, first of all, connect to the server and GPU. To do that, click on the Connect button. Once the server is connected, come to the Prepare Environment section. Click on the Run button to install the LTX video model. It will take some time to install the file and run the code. And here it is. We are done. Now come to the video generation section. First, we have the positive prompt. Here we have to enter what we want inside the video. Just enter your prompt. I am entering a ready prompt. After that, you can enter the negative prompts. Next, set the width and height of the video. After that, set the steps. Here, the higher the steps, the better the quality. Next, you can set the CFG scale and sampler. I won't recommend changing them. Next, set the number of frames you want to generate. This will define your video length. If you create 72 frames at 24 frames per second, the video length will be 3 seconds. As we are using a free GPU, I recommend creating less than 100 frames. Otherwise, you may face issues. Of course, you can use a higher GPU to create a longer and higher quality video. At the end, set the FPS, frames per second. Once everything is set, hit the Run button, and our video is generating. And here it is. The video is ready. And honestly speaking, this is not a great result. However, if you want to create short B-roll footage, you can use it as it is 100% free to use. There is an image to video repo also available here. You can turn your image into video using this repo. The process is the same. Alright, let's move to the next tool. Our second tool is MagicHour AI. Once you are on this page, just create an account with your Google or email. Once you are logged in for the first time, you will get 400 free credits. This is not important. The important part is that you will get 100 free credits daily. Okay, now we have 500 free credits. Let's try the video generation. You will find several tools and features here. All the powerful models are available here. Now to create a video, come to the Video tab from here, and then select the Image to Video or Text to Video option. For this one, I am selecting Image to Video, and this is the Image to Video Generator interface. Now before generating the video, I will select the Video Generator model. You will find all the powerful models here. However, we can use LTX, WAN, and Minimax H3 in the free plan. I am selecting the Minimax H3 model. Now I will create the video. I will use this image as the start frame of my video. Once the image is uploaded, I will enter the text prompt. Once done, go to Settings. set the duration, video resolution, and audio option. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. The video is generating, and here it is. The video is ready. So, now, using the same method, you can create the next video clip. As every day, it will give you 100 free credits. You can just log in and create free videos every day. And once you are out of credits, you know what to do. Alright, now let's talk about the next free AI video generator. It's called LoreMotion AI. This is the dashboard. Just click on here and create your account. LoreMotion allows you to create unlimited free videos using LTX 2.5 and the Minimax H3 model. You will find all the other powerful models, but they require a paid plan. Today, I will stick to the free plan. I am selecting the LTX 2.5 model. Okay, come to the prompt box and enter the prompt. After entering the prompt, set the video resolution and the aspect ratio of the video. In the end, set the video duration and then hit generate. And here it is. The video is ready. And the result is really amazing. So now, following this method, you can create unlimited AI videos inside LoreMotion. Alright, these are 3 free AI video platforms for today. I will put all the links in the description. And if you want to make money with your influencer, don't forget to try Fanvue. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for amazing videos. See you in the next video.